Writing a recursive rule for a table. So we have a table and we are going to write a recursive rule. So first thing, this table, let's look at this table first. And we notice that this table starts from 0 for the input and the output for that input is 3. So let's write it down. Input of 0 is 3. And then what do you notice here, right? What do you notice the output? Input goes up by 1, right? How about the output? You notice that it goes up by 4, right? Because so you can write that like this, right? Difference is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, and so on and so forth. It's going to be 4, right? So using this information, we're going to write the recursive rule. So recursive rule looks like f of n equals some bracket on the left side, right? So on top of it, you got to write the initial value. That means what does it start from? Well, f of n, this means the output, right? Output is 3 when input, which is n, is 0. See that? That's this part, okay? And then input goes up by 1, and then output increases by 4. What do we do with that? You're gonna add in order to find, for example, in order to find 11, you'll look at previous output and add 4 to it, right? So in order to find 23, you look at 19, right? One output before, and then you're going to add 4 to it. So previous output, we write that as f of n minus 1 because input goes up by 1, right? So this is the one previous output, right? So we're going to write down the previous output plus what? 4. Instead of writing this way, we're going to use this notation, which is f of n minus 1, which is the previous output, plus 4, if n is greater than 0. So this is the recursive rule that fits to this table.